Okay, what is up, you people? Good morning, everyone. This is your boy, the Unfolding Play, with Sleepy Owl, Travel Beat, and Hostel Lavi in Jaisalmer. It's already been 4 days since I'm staying in Hostel Lavi here, and it's really, really good and beautiful. You can see the sunset, you can see the fort right behind you, and you can just go around few places like Girdar Lake, the fort, and few bavadis which are there nearby. And the fort is very nearby and it's just around, let's say, 800 meters of a walk from the hostel I'm staying in, Hostel Lavi. So it's really good. And what is up with you people? So I went inside the temple and it was really, really good, but I didn't feel like recording. You can take your cameras, there are a few charges for it, not much. I think 30 rupees for cell phone and 100-200 bucks for camera, but I didn't really feel like shooting inside the temple because first of all it is sacred, and second of all I think it is really, really important for you people to come and visit such places rather than me showing you. I can show you around the whole Jaisalmer, the whole fort, but to visit a temple, I think it should be done by your own. The Jaisalmer fort market is filled with colors. You will see a lot of people doing paintings, doing a lot of artwork, doing a lot of cloth work here. यति यति यति
यति किस भाई यति भाई जे सोनी घूमे अरे हंसे तो मीठा लगे भूले तो प्यारा लगे थोड़ा घूमे मजे हमें.
After a really good tour of this Jaisalmer fort, I am finally heading back to the hostel because Butter is waiting for me. Today I am going to change a little bit course of my travel and I am going to go for desert safari. What is up people, day 5 and I am with Firoz Bhai, Hostel Lavi. So we are going to go to the desert safari apparently. So let's see how it goes. We are going to see the village first, and this is Polo sir. If you guys are coming here to Jaisalmer, contact him to Hostel Lavi to do anything which you guys are doing here. So let's do the safari and let's carry on with it. First village we are going to is Kundra, and here is Bhaiji and a few of my fellow travelers who have joined me. Hello guys. So I am at a village called Kuldhara. So apparently the story about Kuldhara is that this was a village that was around 200 years back, And one night, all of a sudden, people disappeared from here. Few of the people say that the king had a fight with the villagers and he moved them out, while the others also say that there is no known cause to it, and people just disappeared out of nowhere. Hey, what is up? Found a very strange thing here. That is these. I'm sure these are not 200 years old. Okay, so after a very strange experience at Kuldhara, we are heading off to. भाई साहब हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं? कावापुर. This fort is actually under construction and it's empty as fuck, so there you go. Nothing. Okay, after even more strange experience in Kawa Fort, we are off to Sand Dunes. And let's ask them, how was your experience in the fort?
It's good. Nice.
And that's how you fake it. The countryside place. Basically, it is the place is called countryside, and we're going to rest for a while, have tea, coffee or something, and then we're going to go for sand dune safari. That is it. I am finally in Thar Desert, and me and Butter here are going to do a camel ride, and our instructor for today is going to be this little one. आपका नाम क्या है?
रफीक.
रफ़ीक. और हमारे ऊँट का नाम क्या है?
दबंग.
दबंग. तो आज मोहम्मद रफ़ीक हमें दबंग पे सफारी करेंगे, मुझे और बटर को. So let's do this.
मटर खाता है? मटर ना, मैं मटर ही खाता हूँ.
Finally, after a good day, we are going back to the campsite. And how was it, guys? I don't know, it's a good time. So me, Butter and my fellow friends are back with Amir bhai. once again, if you guys are coming, you have to search for this guy. He drives the best. Guys, how was the experience?
सुपर
सबसे अच्छा पार्ट क्या है हमारी डेजर्ट सफारी का? हाँ राइट, आमिर भाई की थार राइड. अगर
भैया भी सबसे बेस्ट.
एग्जैक्टली अगर आप लोग आ रहे हो, आई थिंक ही इज द बेस्ट राइडर इन जैसलमेर दैट यू विल फाइंड, एक्सेप्ट बटर. Nobody agrees. Everybody agrees. Sorry.
Yes.
So see you guys and thank you so much. Amazing welcome. We are back again. इबादत की तरह तुझे याद कर लिया है, मरने तलक रहेगी, मरने तलक रहेगी.